Ew, is that Cindy? Remember? Ew, don't that look like her?
I don't know, but if
remember the kids? Remember the parents that had
If I just seen Connie
and
right
white
now.
kids, the girls and boys. I can't think of their names.
I don't know.
Right, never mind. It looks like she got mixed in her.
I wish I seen Connie.
The light-skinned lady that
wait, this is where we're supposed to go?
Oh.
Yeah, this is where my sister's getting dropped off at. Just throw out the goddamn car and let's leave.
No, I
yeah,
need
this
trouble for
guy
that.
will take care
Not
of
if
you.
she tells. Don't tell.
Yeah, but it's cold out.
Well, somebody has
That makes it more better.
Oh. Oh.
Giggity.
Yeah, your mom just thinks we'll get in trouble.
Yo, look at Kayla in the future. What? Is this her daddy? Nope.